Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork stock updated. Start by roasting bones until deeply browned, then transfer to a large pot, cover with cold water and bring to a gentle simmer. Skim foam for the first 30 minutes, add aromatics like onion, carrot, celery, garlic, and a bay leaf, and simmer low for 4 to 6 hours until rich and flavorful. Cool, strain, and chill promptly. Making a clear pork stock is about patience and gentle heat. Start with cold water and bones, avoid boiling to keep clarity, and skim regularly to remove impurities. Add a splash of vinegar to help extract gelatin, use a low simmer for 6 to 8 hours, and taste for seasoning near the end. Strain through a fine mesh, cool quickly in an ice bath, and refrigerate overnight for best results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while cooking or lab work. It seals well and fits most cup holders. I use it to sip between stirring and skimming, and it keeps water cold for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Homemade pork stock freezes beautifully and boosts many dishes. Portion into 2-cup containers or ice cube trays for easy use, label with date, and freeze up to 3 months for best quality. Thaw in refrigerator overnight or gently reheat from frozen, skim off any solidified fat, and finish sauces or soups with the warm stock. Reuse strained bones once more for a lighter second stock and enjoy full flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.